Hey Triumph Rats. What we're going to do today is we're going to lube and adjust the chain. I've got about 300 miles on the bike, and the book calls for 500 miles to do this and to clean it every 200 miles. But took a look at it the other day, and well, that seems to be a lot of play, and it's making some slapping noises as well. So I think it's probably time to check and adjust this thing. First thing we're going to do is loosen the rear axle. Okay, nice and loose. You need 2 wrenches for this, 13 millimeter for the lock nut and 12 millimeter for the adjuster nut. So back off the lock nut. Repeat on the other side. Now, using a 12 millimeter wrench, back these off about the same amount. See, up, all the way up, as high as you can go, down. I did that twice. Repeat that on the other side, but down to up. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's check play. The book calls for between 1/2 inch and 1 1/4 inches of play. Looks like I got about 3/4 of an inch. So tighten it a little bit more. It will tighten up a little bit when you put the tire on the ground. Okay, that's pretty good. Tighten the jam nut back up. Let's make sure we're even on both sides here. Just past the 5th dot. This side needs to come out a little bit more. Or the other side in. We'll do one of each. More. Okay, so it's good. Tighten up the lock nut. Measurement is even on both sides. Manual says to tighten those to 20 foot-pounds. Now, have you ever seen a torque wrench that works like an open-end wrench? I've been a mechanic for 20 years, neither have I. This one, however, is critical to tighten to 81 foot-pounds. Two, one. Again, 27 millimeter socket and a torque wrench. Always have a torque wrench. There we go. As for cleaning it, it's really not that dirty. I'm just going to spray my rag, old pair of undies, I'm sure you guys have some of those hanging around, with a little bit of solvent. And just run it down the chain, getting rid of any of the loose crap. Still has a lot of the waxy stuff on it from delivery. Okay, and to lube it, take your chain lube, find the master length, that'll give you a good reference for when you come around completely. There it is. And try to squirt it in a direction that'll make the least amount of mess. And go. Okay, that's once around that way. Once around that way. I think I went a little further than that, but I can't really see the master link from that side. And just wipe off the excess so it doesn't drip everywhere. Wipe it off a nice clean garage floor. And let that sit overnight for about 8 hours.